next products, the GN collecting rack trolley, and this trolley will help to store with wet GN pans. When you are after washing your GN pans after using, and the pans will be very wet, and you don't have the place to put them to storage them until they're dry. And this trolley is perfect for your use. After washing the plates, you could just collect them in this trolley, and then we'll wait for and take it to the sunshine or something, and wait for it dry, and then you will get it, and then you can get it to use. And it could also prevent pans to tightly stacking. When we after use the pans, we will need to, especially for the GN pans, they can be stackable. We will usually we will stack them together, but then it will be hard to take it out next time. But with this with this cutting rack and trolley, you won't have this problem. You won't have this confused anymore. So if you're interested in, just contact with us and follow us.